Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angles of elevation and depression. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. Angle of elevation. An angle of elevation is made between the horizontal and a line of sight above the horizontal. So there is your horizontal, and there is the line of sight, and this is your angle of elevation. Now elevation means up, so measuring from the horizontal, you measure up to get the angle of elevation. So theta is the angle of elevation. Now here's an example. A man is standing 20 meters from a tree. The angle of elevation measured from the man's feet to the top of the tree is 50 degrees. How high is the tree to the nearest meter? So there's the diagram which represents the information. We need to find the height of the tree. The man is standing 20 meters from the tree, and here is the angle of elevation from his feet. So we have the angle, we have the opposite, and the adjacent. So tan 50 equals h over 20, so h equals 20 tan 50, so h equals 24 meters to the nearest meter. Angle of depression. An angle of depression is made between the horizontal and a line of sight below the horizontal. So there's your horizontal, there's your line of sight below the horizontal. Depression means down, so you measure down from the horizontal, and there is your angle of depression. So alpha is the angle of depression. Example, the angle of depression from the top of a lighthouse to a boat in the water is 27 degrees. So there's the angle of depression there. If the boat is 350 meters from the base of the lighthouse, which is there, from there to there, how high is the lighthouse to the nearest meter? So we have to find h. Now, if you note from earlier videos, those two lines here are parallel. See that one there? So that line there and this line here are parallel. See, that's a horizontal there. So we have another line here. Now you remember from earlier videos, these two angles are alternate angles, so they're equal. So if the angle of depression is 27, that means that's 27 degrees there. So we have an angle, we have an opposite, and we have an adjacent. So tan 27 equals h on 350, so h equals 350 by tan 27, so h is 178 meters to the nearest meter. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle. What is the meaning of the following? Forensic. Look at it carefully. Forensic. Here's a little clue there, see? Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You'll receive a notification when the next video is available. Please share with your friends. Hope to see you next lesson.